In today's video, I'm going to show you how to forward your Zoho Mail to Gmail so you can manage all your emails from one convenient inbox. This is perfect for keeping everything organized and never missing important messages. Start by logging into Zoho Mail. Open your browser and go to mail.zoho.com. Then enter your login credentials. Once you're in, click the gear icon at the top right corner and select View All Settings from the drop-down. Next, navigate to the Mail tab on the left sidebar and select Email Forwarding and pop/IMAP. This is where you'll set up forwarding. In the email forwarding section, enter your Gmail address and click Add. Zoho will send a verification code to your Gmail. Open Gmail, locate the email from Zoho Mail. Copy the verification code and paste it back into Zoho to confirm your Gmail account. Once verified, go back to email forwarding in Zoho Mail and check the box labeled Enable Email Forwarding. If you want to keep a copy of the emails in Zoho Mail, make sure to select Retain a Copy in Zoho Mail. And that's it. Your Zoho emails will now be forwarded to Gmail automatically, keeping your communication streamlined and organized. If this guide helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Zoho Mail tips and tutorials.